Okay guys, it is raining outside pretty badly. It is still in the summer. Okay, I'll be having some warm spicy tea. Okay, the dish is a little bit spicy, but it's not too spicy. Okay, it does have this chicken with sesame on top, cucumber, mushrooms, avocado, I think it's like kimchi, and some pink onion or red onion, and some greens on top. Does look really good. Okay, let's. Okay. Once I bite into the chicken, it is hard, crispy. It has like this little bit of a sweet taste to it, but it's not too sweet. Yeah. The mushrooms are pretty good too. The mushrooms has like a little bit of woody taste to it. I'm gonna give this one like 3 out of 5. I like how the chicken it is hard and crispy. There's like this Korean sauce on it, and with the rice, it goes all well together. Like and with the texture of the chicken, it's good. The chicken is like kind of like a sweet and sour chicken. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, have other videos on my channel too. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Okay guys, I'll see you.